Hey folks, imagine having an army of super efficient coding agents at your fingertips, working tirelessly to streamline your development workflow and make your life as a developer easier. Welcome to the future of coding, where AI-powered internal coding agents are revolutionizing the way we work. But what exactly are these AI-powered internal coding agents, and how are they changing the game? Well, companies like Stripe, Ramp, and Coinbase have been pioneering this technology, integrating AI-driven tools into their existing workflows to augment their development teams. These systems, such as Minions, Inspect, and CloudBot, have been developed independently, but they share common architectural patterns, including isolated cloud sandboxes, curated toolsets, sub-agent orchestration, and integration with developer workflows. By leveraging these patterns, organizations can deploy AI agents in production environments, making it possible to automate repetitive tasks, improve code quality, and reduce the time spent on development. Enter SWE, an open-source framework built on Deep Agents and LangGra, which captures these architectural patterns and empowers organizations to deploy AI agents in production environments. SWE provides the core architectural components, allowing developers to customize the framework to their specific needs and environments. With SWE, you can create isolated execution environments, curated toolsets, and sub-agent orchestration, making it possible to automate complex tasks and improve collaboration. For example, SWE ships with a focused toolset, including built-in Deep Agents tools and the ability to add custom tools explicitly, reducing complexity and improving maintainability. And with Slack-first invocation, developers can interact with SWE directly from their existing communication workflows. But what really sets SWE apart is its modular architecture and customizable framework. This means that organizations can adapt specific components to their own environments and requirements, making it possible to stay ahead of the curve and respond to changing needs. And with SWE's composition on the Deep Agents framework, organizations can benefit from future improvements and maintain org-specific tools and workflows, ensuring a seamless upgrade path. In conclusion, AI-powered internal coding agents are revolutionizing the way we work, and SWE is the key to unlocking this technology. By providing a customizable framework for deploying AI agents in production environments, SWE empowers organizations to adapt to changing needs and stay ahead of the curve. So, what are you waiting for? Join the SWE community today and start building your own AI-powered internal coding agents. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech and science content. Thanks for joining. See you next time.